Hello and welcome to the Power BI basic training. In this video, I will be showing you some helpful resources in Power BI desktop. And to get started, I'll go to the help menu when you open up the Power BI desktop. Just click on guided learning. This is, just all the basics and, all the details about Power BI tasks, functionalities, and tutorials that we can do. So you just let me click on it and it will open up uh, this page that will show up the right training for you. So in order to get started using Power BI, we can click on this link and it will give you some introduction, explore what you can do. So this composed of two modules. We can also have some advanced level videos which we can videos or tutorials that we can look into. So basically this is all about Power BI. This is all about becoming a data analyst, and this is giving you a complete path where we can you know uh, how we can prepare the data, how we can model the data and visualize the data with data analysis and you know data sets and workspaces and stuff. So this is a complete collection which you can you know get into and get into the knowledge. And then this collection gives you a broader view, which Power BI is part of a Power Platform where we can interact with other Power apps like Power apps, or Microsoft Flow or Dataverse things. So these are all the basic collection that will guide you. However, there are some individual learning paths where we can have individual set of goals which we can achieve. So for example, here is consume data with Power BI. This is a beginner level learning path where business users can you know interact and make self-service dashboard. And there are some intermediate level using tax language, data analytics, and use case reporting as well. There are some popular paths and learning modules as well, which specifies that how we can connect data, establish Power BI environment, and monitor the usage, and all the stuff that is for you know uh, for individual learning paths using Power BI. So this is all about guided learning. It gives you a comprehensive details about each module or each line of action. Even it has an introduction to Power BI for Tableau users. So if we click on it, it will give you a specification of what is the difference and what is the functionality, and how we can do how Tableau users can switch to Power BI as well, or may have a simultaneous knowledge of this as well. This is pretty much it for this video. I will see you in next video. I'll be continuing with other helpful resources in Power BI. Thank you so much.